Oh yeah, we are back. This is Logic on steroids. Yo, Happy New Year's, Merry Christmas. I'm not sure when you're gonna be watching this. You know what I mean? But I want to wish y'all Happy New Year's. We breaking into 2026. Crazy. All right. Hey, check this out. If you don't want to hear my commentary on this video, click on this top right card right here. Damn. All right. Don't complain. Stop complaining. Because I said it. This is how you don't hear my voice. Now stop being a crybaby on my comments. Alright. Go ahead, like this video for no reason at all. Subscribe to my channel, alright? We're gonna get into this brawl right now. Let's go.
Are you ready?
Watch out, I'm spraying. Watch out. Whoa, I tease him. Hey, I'm gonna chill.
There was no getting at it.
And then
I sprayed probably
like there's 2 of us versus 300.
Well, anybody that comes to the PD gets complaints get pinched for interference.
On June 29th, 2024, in Norwich, Connecticut, officers responded to a large fight at a park during a memorial gathering. Body camera video shows multiple confrontations, a large crowd, and officers using a taser, pepper spray, and strikes to restrain a 23-year-old man who placed an officer in a headlock. 2 officers were transported to the hospital. One was treated for exposure to pepper spray, and the other is recovering at home from neck injuries. The footage was released days later, and the incident is under review by the New London State's Attorney's Office. Make sure to subscribe to see more videos like this. Now, let's jump into the action.
Hey! No. Dude, don't stop!
What's the location?
Mechanic Street!
Just to say, for your safety, people, stay away from crowds. Stay away from events like this. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nobody over there is ready to do the right thing when it goes down. Come on now.
HQ, send us everybody you got. We'll take mutual aid too. 2 of us for 200 people.
Receive 1091. 302, did you copy? What up?
I ain't gonna lie. They are super protected by that uniform. Don't let anybody lie to you. That uniform is a great protection, which makes sense because there's only 2 of them and 200 people out there. You know what I mean? That's just a fact.
1087, send it over. 302, copy. Washington Street.
1081, get off your accident and come out here and help us. What you guys doing? You what?
We got lunch.
Okay. Well, if you guys are gonna get out, get out. If not, leave, because it's
Are you good?
not looking good.
What do you mean?
Everyone's down here fighting.
So what does that have to do with us?
There's 2 kids that were fighting just ran this way.
What's your location?
I'm good.
Let's put up the crazy clock! Are you ready?
out, I'm spraying him. Watch out. Whoa, I teased him.
Damn.
Alright,
Doing blows.
get in the cuffs. Get in the cuffs.
Hands on your back now!
Get him on your back.
We need hands on your back!
Give me a bit.
Other one!
He's still punching him.
Other one!
Oh, he holding the officer. That's why. Oh no, his hand in his bag.
Wait. Wait.
Got it?
He's just sprayed it with many more units than anyone else. That makes large.
Yeah.
See the cruiser. Who's cruiser? Cruiser's this?
Damn, he look like he.
Vicky, come over.
Yeah.
Come over here. Everybody over
Oh,
here.
her.
Sprayed. Stay right here. Come over here. Stay over here. Stay over here.
They're like these. You mess with one, you mess with all, and they're gonna come fierce.
I need an ambulance for post-day exposure. Tell them to come the backside of American, up behind the London Insurance Company. Backside, Mopsic. Hey, who's...
Hey, help me get in the car.
Back up. Hey, whose cruiser is this?
Hey, put him in, Gordon. Put him in. Ready?
Let's go. 1, 2, 3. I want him out of here. Whose car is this? Bring him into the PD. Bring him into the PD. Yeah, bring him into the PD. I don't care. I don't care about that. He's right here. He's right here. Everybody on the sidewalk. Everybody on the sidewalk. Hey. Hey, I'm gonna talk to him. Hey, listen, I want to talk to you. Can we go on the sidewalk to give these guys some space? Over there.
The cop is saying he want to talk to them. He's listening to them, but they ain't listening to him. They just outraged, want to make the situation worse. If they could just listen and pay attention, everything goes smooth. But you got these motherfuckers just mad at nothing.
Yeah. Watch out. Watch out, you're gonna get arrested. Watch out.
Ain't no way in hell that one arrest affects them all.
Yeah, go. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out!
Oh, y'all gotta go.
I mean, y'all hear the car honking.
Gotta go over here. I want everybody to go.
You hear the horn, the siren.
Go.
They purposely get in the way. Now she want to say you almost hit.
Hey!
Hey!
Gadu!
Let's go!
Gadu!
I tell you one more time.
Hey, come back, come on. Hey, everybody, let's, all these guys will stay here. I don't care if these guys fight themselves. Alright? I don't care if they fight themselves. Matt! Come over here. I don't care if they fight themselves.
You good, bro?
Where's Vicky? Where's Vicky? They are, they're coming. Everybody.
Can you please get us a few ambulances down here for us?
Now it's all about keeping the peace among them. Not among the people because the people too wild.
Hello, viewers. We would be most grateful if you would be so kind as to subscribe to our Logic on Steroids channel. Stop pretending that your derriere don't stink.
Yeah, who's 12? I got Vicky, I got you. Come on, dear. Come on, come over here.
Okay.
Come over to the...
I'm sorry. Oh, man. Literally spring right.
Get that group back. Hey, I want up to the backside of that intersection because I got ambulance coming.
Sorry, did you go with her? You want me to?
Yeah, I got you.
All right. You're good.
Okay, sorry.
I was afraid that he was going to go run for a weapon. That's why I chased him up the hill. Dude, I never seen anything like this. No.
Why is there not a cop here?
So this is a sanctuary.
Him and I came here to back him up.
I was not alone.
Him and I were standing
I heard it from whatchamacallit, Ozarks. Yeah. He's like sitting 11 at the park. I'm like...
No, we got called here. He got called here by himself for 2 girls fighting, supposedly. So him and I were shooting the shit over there, talking to Tanya. Next thing you know, I see the crowd move. There's 8 dudes here fighting. So him and I try to go break it up, and the next thing you know, we're getting surrounded in the back.
Okay.
Oh yeah, there was no getting at it.
And then
I sprayed probably.
I'm like, there's 2 of us versus 300.
Well, anybody that comes to the PD and gets complaints is getting pinched for interference.
Let's just clear this all out now.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to get to the organizer. Who's the organizer?
Well, I had Tanya. He's the only one that could get through to them.
All right. Well, where's Tanya? Let's because this is going to be dispersed at this point. Tanya, we got to get everybody out of here. So we'll help get people in cars and get them out of here. But
like, we got to have someone that's going to get the rest of these people out of here. Please.
You good, bro? You good? I got it. Yeah.
You got a little bit. Anybody else need medical attention or what?
Gary, you
Can't you have a lock on it?
Any other 26 coming in?
No, just that one for right now. We're trying to get this to disperse.
The ref up there, I guess he's the referee, was asking for them to go up and treat him because he got pepper sprayed. So I was like, nah, he's got to come down here. Like, we're not,
Yeah.
She's like, he was refereeing the game. I'm like, listen, man,
Well, he was in it. He was in it. No, if they go get treatment, that's fine. But we're gonna get their name and stuff if we have to. Yeah, they gotta go. They gotta walk. If you got a car, you gotta walk. Let's go. Let's go. We're not staying here all night. Let's go. Let's go. Get walking. Let's go. Start walking.
You want in there too or no?
Yeah, I want to talk to the.
You know who it is? Like,
I don't know. Is there like a microphone? This lady. Let's go.
no, it's closed right now.
Everybody gotta go. Everybody's gotta go. Everybody's gotta go. Everybody's gotta go. Get in the car and go.
let's go, one lady.
302, go ahead.
Anybody's coming down Mechanic Street trying to get out, they're clear to go, right?
Coming mechanic to Mopsic. Yeah, if there it's civilian cars, just let them go out. We got no 2-6 right now, so just trying to get people out of here. What was that?
Good.
Doing good today?
What's that?
Doing good today?
I'm doing good, you?
All right. A place like that, see that big old field? I'll be flying a drone around there or something, having fun doing that. But I wouldn't be participating in no large ass crowd like this.
Come on, y'all. Just go on, yo. Hello.
Well, at least I try not to.
Don't play with me.
What's up?
Do you have the keys to 25 at Vicky's car?
No, I already put Vicky's cards right there.
I'm thinking everybody else.
I don't know whose that is.
It ain't even dark outside.
The man was arrested and charged with assault of an officer, and authorities said more arrests could follow. Bond information was not provided, and officials did not specify the individual's custody status. The state's attorney's office continues to investigate the encounter. Want to watch more videos like this one? Click the one on the screen now.
See, he was tussling with that officer. You know what I mean? So that's when they started swinging on him. This is for educational purposes right here. You know what I'm saying? Yo, try not to find yourself in a tussle with an officer. You know what I mean? Calm yourself down or something. I don't know, man. That's the worst thing you can do, according to the law, the eyes of the law. They don't like you. They don't like you messing with their kind. So y'all be careful. All right, go ahead, subscribe to Logic on Steroids. Like this video, share it. You know what I mean? I got more coming. Check out my Crazy Clock playlist. All right.
Are you ready?
Check them out. I got some wild stuff on that playlist right there, man. All right. Love y'all. Peace.